So I just wanted to share how the universe be speaking to me sometimes. So, I've just been paying attention to what's going on in the world, and it got me thinking maybe I need to move back home just in case something pop off because the only family I have is hours away. So I opened up my phone, and I was finding a little YouTube video or whatever. One of the YouTube videos that I saw was like, don't go back. I mean, it had a Christian spin on it, but it was like, don't go back. And I looked at it, but I kind of brushed it off. And then again, I see the same title, but it was from a different person. Don't go back. And I'm like, damn. Like, stay tuned in because the universe be speaking.